Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Windows build and that you're on a 64-bit system. Mismatches cause detection issues. Once done, open Device Manager and Task Manager side by side so you can watch changes. Next, download the correct OEM or DCH driver package for your GPU model right away. This prevents Windows from installing a generic driver. You do this because a wrong driver or missing DCH components is the most common cause of GPUs not appearing in Task Manager. You now remove conflicting driver traces. First, uninstall the GPU from Device Manager and check Delete Driver software for this device. That removes the driver package. Then reboot into safe mode and run Display Driver Uninstaller to clear registry keys and leftover files. This prevents detection errors. After the finishes, reboot to normal mode, but pause Windows Update so it won't auto-install a generic driver. You do this because a clean slate ensures the new DCH driver installs correctly, and now install the OEM DCH driver you downloaded, selecting Custom or Clean Install to overwrite any lingering components. This installs the correct telemetry and WDDM interfaces Task Manager needs. After install, reboot and re-enable Windows Update so future fixes arrive. Open Task Manager to the Performance tab and confirm the GPU appears with utilization graphs. If it still does not show, check the GPU driver service. Secure boot and BIOS video settings, and the Windows feature graphics tools. These are common final blockers you can toggle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.